Okay guys, we're going to look at number 1 on page 19 of your notebook. I am going to work out a couple problems from your homework assignment. You should have tried them already yourself, and you should be now playing the video to double check your answer and make sure you're solving it correctly and you're on the right track. If you're having difficulty and you're getting stuck, then you can play this video up to the point where you're getting stuck at, and then maybe go a little past that, try to get unstuck, and continue solving it by yourself, and then finish playing the solution when you're finished. Remember, you can pause it, replay it as many times as you want. So here I have negative 7x plus 3 times the quantity negative 4x minus 14 equals 72. We have the distributive property here in the middle. Don't forget, you can tell that by the number stuck to this group of parentheses here. I put a box around it to show this is what I need to do first. I'm going to start by leaving this negative 7x alone. I now need to distribute this 3 to everything inside the parenthesis. Don't forget the sign in front of it goes with it, so this acts as a positive 3 here. Positive 3 times negative 4x gives me a negative 12x. So that's going to be a minus sign since this is negative 12. A positive 3 times this minus 14. Remember, this is going to act like a negative 14 here. A positive times a negative gives me a negative. And 3 times 14 gives me 42. I'm now done with the distributive property step. We're next going to combine like terms. So if you need to, you're going to put in your lines, mark your like terms, and you're going to add or subtract them together. So I'm going to do negative 7x minus 12x. A negative 7 minus 12 is negative 19x. Keep your minus 42 equals 72. I now have a two-step equation to solve. To do my two-step equation, my first step is to get rid of this minus 42, and I'm going to do that by adding 42 to both sides. My 42s are gone, and I'm left with negative 19x equals 72 plus 42 gives me 114. My last step is to get rid of this negative 19. The opposite of multiplying is dividing by my negative 19. This gives me a positive 1x. I'm going to divide by negative 19 on this side. A positive divided by a negative gives me a negative. And 114 divided by 19 is going to give me 6. So my final answer is going to be negative 6. Double check your steps and make sure you have all of your work.